Hi all, today we are going to see lesson number 13, that is understanding objects. Students, what is this? Can you see balloon? Yes. So as you know that whatever the object is there, it has proper shape, size, color. So let us see basic objects. Okay. So what is this? This is square. So as you can see, a square has four sides. Okay, it has four corners, it has four sides, and all sides of squares are equal. It is made up of standing and sleeping line, and all standing and sleeping lines measurement is same in square. Okay, now let us see next shape, that is rectangle. So as you can see, rectangle, it has also four sides, but it is different from square. In rectangle, its opposite sides are equal. It has also four corners, it has four sides, but rectangle has opposite sides equal. Now let us see our next shape, that is triangle. So as you can see the picture, triangle is made up of three sides. It has three corners, and the sides of triangle may or may not be equal. It has three vertices. Okay? Now, tell me, which is the next shape? Yes, this is circle. And the circle has no sides, no corner, no vertex. It has zero sides, zero corners. You can say like that. Okay. It is round in shape. Okay. Now, as the next picture I have displayed here, we will try to find out the basic shapes from which we have made the picture of home. So as there are basic shapes, that is triangle, square, rectangle, and from that shape we have made one picture of home. So I think these concepts are clear. Thank you.